This is Megan Kane for the Stata YouTube channel. In Stata 16, we introduced Python integration for embedding and executing Python code and Python scripts from within Stata. In Stata 17, we've expanded this integration with PyStata. PyStata includes a suite of API functions for interacting with Stata from within Python. First, you will need to install the Stata Setup Python module and configure it to initialize Stata from within your Python environment. Then, you can pass Python data into Stata, run your Stata commands, and retrieve Stata's returned results with PyStata's API functions. These API functions can be used in any Python shell, such as the Windows command prompt, the macOS and Unix terminals, or through any IPython kernel-related environment, like Spider, PyCharm, or even Jupyter Notebook, where you can also use the IPython magic commands. If you would like to learn more about PyStata in Stata 17, you can download the manual at stata.com.